Hello Canva creators, welcome back to the Digital Tutors. Today we are going on a deep dive into Canva's Elements tab. We are going to cover everything from shapes and lines to graphics, frames, charts and more. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use each feature to bring your designs to life. Ready? Let's jump in. Alright, so let's start by opening Canva and heading over to the Elements tab, which you can find on the left-hand side of your screen. This section is a treasure trove of design goodies. So let's break it down piece by piece. First up, shapes. Shapes are the building blocks of your design. You'll find all kinds of shapes here, from simple square and circles to more complex polygons and abstract shapes. You can use shapes to create backgrounds, highlight text, or just add some visual interest to your design. You can click on any shape to add it to your design. Once it's on your canvas, you can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners. If you want to change the color, simply click on the color palette in the top toolbar and select your desired color. You can also adjust the transparency of the shape, rotate it, or even add a border by selecting the border option and choosing a thickness and color. Next, let's look at lines. Lines can be used to divide sections of your design, underline text, or add a bit of flair. Canva offers different types of lines: straight, dashed, dotted, and even curved lines. To customize a line, click and drag it onto your canvas. You can adjust the thickness by selecting the line and using the weight option in the toolbar. Just like shapes, you can also change the color, adjust the length, and rotate the line. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles to see what works best for your design. Now let's talk about graphics. Canva's graphics library is huge, and it includes everything from icons and illustrations to abstract designs and vector images. This is where you can really get creative and add personality to your work. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar at the top. For example, if you need an illustration of a plant, just type plant and hit enter. Canva will show you a wide range of options. To narrow it down, you can filter your search by color, static or animated, and free or paid. Once you've found a graphic you like, click on it to add it to your canvas. Most graphics in Canva are customizable. You can resize them, rotate them, and in some cases even change the colors. Moving on to stickers. Stickers are animated graphics that add fun, dynamic element to your design. They are perfect for social media posts, presentations, or any project where you want to add a bit of movement. To add a sticker, just click on it and it will automatically animate when you place it on your canvas. You can resize and move stickers just like any other element. Keep in mind that stickers are looped animations, so they'll keep playing as long as they are on your design. Let's talk about photos. Canva offers an extensive library of high-quality images that you can use for free, as well as premium images available with Canva Pro. Whether you need a scenic background, a portrait, or something abstract, Canva has you covered. You can search for photos using the search bar at the top. For example, if you are designing something related to travel, you might search for beach or mountains. Once you've found a photo you like, click on it to add it to your canvas. From there, you can resize, crop, and even apply filters to your photo. Canva also lets you adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and more to get to the perfect look. Next up is videos. Canva's videos library is just as impressive as the photo library. Whether you're creating a presentation, a social media post, or a video ad, you can find tons of high-quality videos to use. To add a video, simply click on it and it will be added to your canvas. You can resize it just like a photo. And Canva also allows you to trim the video if you only want to use a specific part of it. We will learn how to edit video step by step in our tutorial on Video Editor. Now let's move on to audio. Adding sound to your design can really elevate the experience, especially if you are creating a video or presentation. Canva has a variety of music tracks and sound effects to choose from. Let's dive into charts. Charts makes it incredibly easy to create visually appealing charts, whether you need a bar graph, a pie chart, or a line graph. To add a chart, select the type of chart you want from the chart section. Once it's on your canvas, you can input your own data by clicking on the charts and selecting Edit Data. Canva provides a simple spreadsheet interface where you can add, remove, or edit data points. As you update the data, your chart will automatically adjust. You can also customize the color, fonts, and even the style of chart to match your design. You can import data from the Google Sheet or upload Excel or CSV file also. Next, let's talk about tables. Tables are perfect for organizing information in a clean and structured way. Whether you're creating comparison chart, a schedule, or a product list, tables makes it easy. To add a table, click on the table option and select the layout you want to add to your design. Once it's on your canvas, you can easily adjust the size of each cell by clicking and dragging the borders. You can customize the colors of the cells. If you need more rows or columns later, just right-click and select Add Row and Add Column. Now let's explore frames. Frames are a great way to add images to your design while keeping everything neatly aligned. Canva offers a variety of frame shapes, from simple rectangles and circles to more artistic shapes like hearts and letters. To use a frame, drag it onto your canvas. Once it's there, you can drag any photo or video into the frame and it will automatically fit the shape. You can adjust the image's position with the frame by double-clicking on it and dragging it to where you want it. If you want to resize the frame, just click and drag the corners. You can also add a border to the frame by selecting the border option in the top toolbar and choosing your desired thickness and color. Let's talk about grids. Grids are fantastic for creating structured layouts or collages. Canva offers a variety of grid styles, from simple two-column layouts to more complex multi-section grids. To use a grid, drag it onto your canvas. Each section of the grid acts like a mini frame, so you can drag and drop photos or videos into each part. Canva will automatically adjust the images to fit within the grid. You can also adjust the spacing between the grid section using the spacing slider in the toolbar. Grids are perfect for photo collages, product showcases, or any design that need a clean, organized layout. Finally, let's talk about mockups. Mockups are pre-designed layouts that allow you to showcase your design in real-world setting. For example, you can display your artwork on a t-shirt, mug, or smartphone screen. To use a mockup, select one from the mockup section and add it to your canvas. Once it is on your canvas, you can drag your design into the mockup and Canva will automatically apply it to the product. To edit or adjust your image, double-click and you can make adjustments to your image here. Click Apply Changes to add to your design. Mockups are great for presentations, portfolios, or social media posts where you want to show off your design in context. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of Canva's Elements tab, from basic shapes to complex grids, frames, and mockups. You now have all the tools you need to create amazing designs. Remember, the more you explore and experiment, the more creative you can get. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.